Completing my aesthetic surgery fellowship under Karthik sir has been a truly transformative experience for me. First of all, I want to thank him sincerely for giving me this opportunity. It wasn't just about learning surgeries, it was about how to think, how to observe, and how to approach aesthetic surgery with responsibility. I have had the privilege of observing and assisting many aesthetic procedures like mommy makeover, breast reduction surgeries, gynecomastia, rhinoplasty, and many other facial surgical procedures. The surgical exposure has been extensive along with extensive hands-on experience. At the same time, we have had good exposure to non-surgical procedures like Botox, fillers, and other aesthetic procedures that are needed for modern practice. But more than all these techniques, what truly changed me was the perspective on patient care. The emphasis on detailed consultation, ethical practice, realistic expectation setting, and staying scientifically updated. Here, I learned the importance of publishing and contributing academically and staying up to date. The fellowship did not just refine my surgical skills, it refined my mindset. I am genuinely grateful for the mentorship and guidance that Karthik sir has given.